Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Briefing. We have some sunny skies out there this morning. Going to continue to see mostly sunny skies today with very nice conditions, temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s with fairly light winds. So a beautiful day before we have some unsettled conditions moving in for the middle of the week. Looking at our surface analysis, currently we have area high pressure over the Mid-Atlantic region. It's going to continue to dominate our weather today. That'll slide off the coast tomorrow as a potent upper level short wave, as well as a southern stream energy merges off the eastern seaboard, providing a strong area of low pressure developing along the eastern seaboard, giving us some unsettled conditions tomorrow. Our current conditions as of 8:15 this morning, we have clear skies, winds of a northerly component at 350 degrees at 5 knots, temperature 54 degrees, and relative humidity at 78%. Looking at our satellite imagery this morning, we have just a little bit of low-level cloud cover that was off the coast in the form of some fog and very low cloudiness across the region. Seeing some mid-level and upper-level cloudiness across Pennsylvania this morning, but over the Wallops region, as of 8 o'clock, we are just seeing some clear skies. Looking at our derived reflectivity from the 3-kilometer NAM, here is 2 o'clock this afternoon. You can see nothing, noon this afternoon, you can see nothing on the radar. Moving into the overnight hours, and then tomorrow morning, you can see rain showers starting to spread the area as an area of low pressure develops along the Outer Banks, North Carolina, as well as a cold front approaches from the west. That'll provide us with good chances of rainfall tomorrow afternoon. Likely condition, we'll see anywhere from about a half to 1 inch of rain tomorrow, and a possibility we do see an embedded thunderstorm as well, with the potent upper level trough moving through, as well as the strong upper level dynamics moving through the region. And that rainfall will continue into late afternoon, early evening hours, looking like probably about 8 to 10 o'clock. Looks like that would be the latest we would see rainfall in the region tomorrow. But overall, should see that rainfall move out by the early evening hours out of the Wallops region. And then for Thursday, just seeing some windy conditions and cooler weather as that area of low pressure deepens across the northeast states. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s, northerly winds this morning becoming northeasterly this afternoon, 8 to 13 knots, and then easterly for the late afternoon. Into the evening hours, we'll see southeast winds, and then overnight, continue with southeast winds at 5 to 10 knots. So light winds fairly with fair conditions overall today, seeing a low tonight around 59 to 60 degrees. Our chances of precipitation and lightning will be 0 today, as well as all of the risk criteria will be green across the board for today. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll see those clear skies to mostly sunny skies today. Then we'll see that increased cloudiness overnight, especially in the upper levels, with looking at a broken deck by 20 local. This evening, we'll have a slight chance of seeing some patchy fog develop across the region for the late evening hours into the overnight hours, only seeing about a 10% chance of that occurring. And then by tomorrow morning at 8 local time, we'll have a ceiling around 15,000 feet with a scattered deck of clouds at 4,000 feet, with some overcast deck as well as 20,000 feet. A slight chance we do see a rain shower after 8 o'clock. Most likely that would be after 10 o'clock tomorrow. We see that rain coming in. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking at Wednesday and Thursday, Wednesday will be cloudy and breezy with rain likely by late morning. A chance of an embedded thunderstorm during the early afternoon. We'll have a high of 70 degrees, red for precipitation, and for our winds over 25 knots, as they will be quite breezy out of the southeast during the afternoon, then turning northwesterly by the evening hours. We'll have about a 20% chance of lightning within 10 nautical miles, and our ceilings looks like they'll be just above 500 feet during the heaviest rainfall, but can't rule out ceilings lower than 500 feet with the heavy rainfall moving through the region during the late afternoon hours. Our Wednesday night, we'll see partly cloudy conditions and mostly clear skies, breezy conditions as well. Cooler with a low of 51 degrees, red for our winds over 25 knots. And for Thursday, we'll see partly to mostly cloudy conditions, breezy and cooler. Only a high of 61 degrees for Thursday, a red for our winds. We'll see those winds gusting anywhere from about 35 to 40 miles an hour on our Thursday afternoon, so we'll be quite breezy to windy and cooler for our Thursday, feeling much more like fall across the region. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. Back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.